Hi, girls. Hi, babies. All right, perfect. And then you can just take that up, back on up, and I'll be good. Thank you. Oh, and I turned the water on. Oh, I guess I better turn it off too. I turned it on and forgot about it. But that's good.
Remember when the water got turned off in the circuit a while ago?
Yeah.
I took one of those 5-gallon buckets of fridge and it's in my bathroom and I opened it.
Yeah.
So I was thinking we could just give it to the animals.
Yeah, that's something you can talk to Dave about. He'll have the strongest opinion. You know how he's opinionated.
Yes, thank you. Like,
I know that he's opinionated. Where you guys going?
you let me did your lap around the house.
Where you going? Ah, well, they'll come. All I have to do is get some grain. His horns are just amazing.
Yes. Amazing.
You got a stick. You got a stick.
I noticed since you got the new hay, the new straw. What's that about?
I think that they took a whole bale for the chicks, but that's just wasting. So
Oh, I got you. Yeah.
That's okay,
Your little
though.
chick house is pretty sweet.
it is sweet, but I don't know that they needed to bring a whole bale down and waste it. But oh well, it is what it is. Now it's wet. Where'd you guys go? There's traffic, you sillies. Come on! 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 Where you guys at? Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on, guys! Come on! Come on! There you go. There you goes. Yeah, so silly. You're so silly. Hi, darling. Oh my gosh, you're such a good girl. Oh, I love you so much. Look at that lovely wool. Oh, I love you, baby. Oh, oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You're the best. You're the best baby. Well, hi, darling. Hi. Oh my gosh. How does one do any of this? How does? Oh, little Missy, you're so cute. You're all wet because it was such a rainy day. Hi, guys. Did you want to come with me? Did you want to come with me? Let's go. Oh, what a baby you are. You're such a good girl. Hi there, little boy. Hi, chickens. Hi. You have such a cuteness. You have such a cuteness factor. You are such a cutie patootie. I gotta go get this. Hi, chickens. Alright, I'm gonna pause this. And you're gonna have to watch out, babe. Oh, stop that. You're such a baby. I have got to get a tripod. Hey, girl. I've got to fix that horn. I'm gonna go over here and say hi to my. You gotta get out of my space. Out of my face. Hi there. Hi, darling. Can I say hi to you? Oh my gosh. You're the best baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here, let's switch. Check this out. Check that out. That's you. That's you. What do you think? Huh? Huh? That's you. Yeah, that's you. Oh, you are such a good girl. Yeah, good girl. I'm not very good in selfie mode, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. Nobody watches this but me. Nobody watches this but me, but there you go. You get to see yourself. Check that out. You get to see yourself on the screen. Yes. Oh, Mommy loves you so much. You're such a gorgeous baby. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that face. Look at that face. Oh my gosh. You want me to do some rubbies there? Oh, I don't know if I'm getting you. Doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. What matters? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to squish that poor, horrible thing. It's trying to eat you. Yeah. Trying to eat mama person. I'm doing such a lousy job. It's okay. Look, there you are. Yeah. Do you see you? Do you see you? Yeah, shush. Oh. Oh, Mommy loves you so much. You're the best kitten in the world. Not even a kitten. Oh. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are a good girl. Yes, you are a very good girl. I'm going to pause this because I don't really need this. Hi, little girl. You look so cute. Your little tail is so cute. Hi, little boy. And you got the long tail and the snippet balls. Poor baby. Sorry. Sorry about the balls. But it is what it is. Hope everything's coming out fine. Hi, Bits. Is that good? You guys playing over there. Aw. You're okay. I'm not gonna do nothing. You're fine. I'm just trying to get rid of that stuff. And how are you doing? Hi, Nikki. Hi, Ivy. Hi, Mitch. Hi, Mousy. Hi, Wiley and Missy. Missy. I got Missy, Mousy, and Midge. I got Ivy, Nikki, Mousy, Midge, Missy, Lilu, Wiley, Moo Moo, Kits and Bits, and the Ram, Albus Dumbledore. That's his name, Albus Dumbledore. He's an old goat of a ram. An old ram of a goat. Man, those are some big, impressive horns you've got. You are so impressive. So freaking impressive. You are impressive. All right, guys, I gotta go. See, this is the thing I don't understand. Why is she shedding like she's a hair sheep? How do you tell if it's hair or wool? Doesn't... I don't know. I don't know, but whatever. I'm treating it like it is trash wool. Oh my god. I'm gonna do a close up on the Lilu. Lilu, Lilu, Lilu. Lilu, Lilu. Okay, fine. I'm getting out of here. We're gonna check on the chicken house. It's messy. I'm not as good with chicken as sheep. Maybe I am. Are those thistles? Or kale? Or what? Messy, messy, messy. Oh, hi, chickens. Hi, chickens. Oh, hush. You're fine. Can I? I'm gonna get bit. Can I just snag whatever you got going on under here? One egg. One egg. All right, one egg. Why is there blood all over the place in here? That's crazy. You're so magnificent. Gorgeous. I know, girl. All right. So beautiful. So beautiful. What is that?